Hi guys, it's just me having a little rape train going on here. It's just on the totem. It's not the best, you know, not as good as Syndicate, but to be honest, I don't go on this map very much anymore, so I don't really practice on it.
By the way, it's Josh.
Is that new to kill?
Yeah.
I don't know why, maybe damage ice, but yeah.
Casually. Buy ammo now.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy. To kill this squad, it's just not worth it.
Not worth it, dude. No, dude, it's not worth it.
600? Nah, yeah. Right. So, we're just gonna stay down here for as long as possible. Still got my escape route there. Just in this room, basically. The box is still there, because there's no teddy bear, shut up. So yeah, basically just...
We have got that many points. That many. See? Yeah, you've got to see fish. We won this round, see? And it's got this gun. And it's got zombies.
This gun.
And this gun, fish.
But I'm using this gun just to save
Say
ammo.
hi, Josh. Can't
Hi,
see you, so
Josh.
it doesn't matter. Hey, me. Say hi, Josh. Hi, Josh.
All about the red train.
Watch him die as well, just as he put it on YouTube. That'd be funny. I'm not a hypocrite. Wow. He like never gets hit by zombies. So like, no, can't touch us. No. I wonder if we still had the music on that docking station.
I reckon that's what got the rape train going.
What, the
I
music?
like the music. On the train. Rape.
Don't know what song it is, but please turn on. Here's work.
I almost got down there. That was very close, people.
There we go. Change the way you kiss me.
Oh, I love, for example. It's really good.
It's a tribute band.
Okay, so it's still really good.
It's a bit more tinny, the song though.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Well,
I just threw a Molotov because it's just boring.
That's him. Wait, no. Wait till it's flashing. Kill a koala. Yeah.
Let's get my friends.
I know, you could save it and wait till your next vape train.
Oh yeah, I didn't think of that.
Right, so we're now about to go to round 13.
On the first box I got my MG.
Got double points. No, got not many points. MG and Thompson. I'd buy ammo now. Josh.
Yeah, I'm off for ammo in a minute.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Please like, rate, subscribe, favourites, whatever.
And also subscribe to Mr. Joshy999 and Mr. Bergman444.
There will be more videos.
Probably like 20 by just tonight. By the way, the quality isn't the best because it's only recording on an iPhone. Look at the iPhone
But
stopwatch.
do watch because it's quite a good video.
I'll just zoom in so you can see a bit better.
Ah, never itch your nuts. Never itch your nuts.
If you've got nuts to all of your viewers.
Sorry people, just hold on.
Look, he's itching his nuts.
No, I'm not. I'm never getting nuked, you don't get points, so.
Unless they're all up in your grill, obviously.
Unless they're all in my grill, so.
I'd have said that for it.
To be honest, I don't really need points, so. But I'll be soft.
I'll put it sideways because.
I mean, it's quite.
No, I won't put it sideways because. Look. No more sideways. It's okay. Don't cry. Look, now on round 14.
Check the points.
Points.
Alright, do it anyway.
Molotovs and everything. Yeah, Molotovs, by the way. Owned. In the face.
Monkeys are better, but can you even get monkeys on this map?
No.
You should be able to.
I think you can on Black Ops. I don't know. I don't know.
Oh wait, on Kino.
No, on this. How's it? Oh. Look him dodging.
Josh the king, rape trainer, not me, because Syndicate's alive. All this side, thank you.
Yeah, definitely subscribe to the Syndicate project. He does Minecraft, Call of Duty, custom maps. He's just the best. If you've
Is-
never heard of him, definitely subscribe.
Shit! Oh!
And that's the end. What? Right, goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
5 minutes.